30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, except February, which has 28, and on a leap year has 29. And today is the last day, the 31st of March. Believe it or not, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. It's 14 degrees, and the bird feeders are full. And the birds are just about ready to come for breakfast. There's a grackle up there. He's one of those black, starling-looking birds. It's hulled sunflower seeds. And there are some mealworms in that bird bath. And some peanuts in that bird bath that are shelled and saltless for the squirrels. Yes, Mr. Grackle, you go right ahead. He has a little difficulty, but he manages. And he likes to eat from a feeder. There's his brother down there. Let's see what he does. Oh, and another one, Sister Sue. Her head is really shiny and it's almost a purple color. Anyway, it's getting windy, and by tonight it'll be below zero. And tomorrow is supposed to snow. Watch over things, Mr. Buddha. Keep everyone safe.